Hello everybody, welcome back to Online English with me, Teacher Ken. I hope you're ready and I hope you're happy. Very good. Today we are going to study about my favorite drink. My favorite drink. So, what's your favorite drink? What's your favorite drink? Is it mango juice? Apple juice, Coca-Cola, water, milk, Sprite? What's your favorite drink? What's your favorite drink? So, I will tell you my favorite drink. My favorite drink is orange juice. I like drinking orange juice. And today I will teach you how to make homemade orange juice. Natural homemade orange juice. Are you ready? Very good. So, to make orange juice, you will need knife, blender, and chopping board, and you will also need a cup or a glass. Very good. And you will also need oranges and honey. But if you do not have honey, you can use sugar. So you can use honey or sugar. Very good. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Number 1. You will peel the orange. Peel the orange. And then number 2, you will cut the oranges. Cut the oranges into small pieces. Cut the oranges into small pieces. Number 3, you then put the oranges into the blender. Put the oranges into the blender and then switch on the blender and blend the oranges. Blend the oranges. After you blend the oranges, you put in some honey. Put in some honey, and then you put in some ice cubes. Ice cubes. Put in honey and ice cubes. Number 4. Blend the mixture again. Blend. Blend the orange, honey, and ice cubes. Very good. Number 5. Pour some water into the blender. So, in the blender, you have oranges, honey, ice cubes, and water. After that, you will sieve the juice. Number 6. Pour the mixture into a glass. Pour the mixture into a glass and enjoy your drink. Enjoy your drink. Enjoy your orange juice. Very good. I hope you understand, and I hope you remember. Thank you very much. Bye bye. I love you very much.